Once upon a time in the vibrant nation of India, a technological revolution was underway. Artificial intelligence, or AI, emerged as a driving force, shaping industries and transforming lives. Its rise in India mirrored the global trend, with remarkable growth and potential. Let us delve into this captivating story, backed by data analysis and real-world examples. As of 2022, AI-generated revenue in India reached a promising $12.3 billion, setting the stage for exponential expansion. Experts projected a compound annual growth rate or CAGR of 42% in 2022, indicating the immense potential AI held. By 2027, the AI market size in India was expected to soar to an impressive $71.0 billion, showcasing a promising trajectory. In terms of sectoral composition, big IT companies and BPO service providers held a dominant position in the Indian AI market, accounting for 60% of its total share. However, non-IT sectors also played a significant role, holding a considerable 23% share. Among them, the banking, financial services, and insurance or BFSI sector emerged as the leader, representing 28% of the non-IT industries. In terms of experience, AI professionals with 6 to 10 years of expertise make up 24% of the AI workforce, while those with 3 to 5 years of experience account for 22%. This diverse range of experience levels showcases the continuous growth and influx of talent in the field of AI. Analyzing the distribution of OpenAI jobs across cities, Delhi claims the highest share at 31%, followed by Bangalore, India's technology hub, with 23% of OpenAI jobs. This trend emphasizes the concentration of opportunities for AI professionals in these urban centers. Candidates with 1-2 years of expertise. Surprisingly, only 18% of available AI jobs are. Furthermore, when considering the years of experience required for OpenAI jobs, 47% of job postings target professionals with 3-5 years of experience, while 27% seek candidates with 1-2 years of expertise. Surprisingly, only 18% of available AI jobs require professionals with 6+ years of experience, indicating a demand for emerging talent in the field. Lastly, in terms of median salaries, Mumbai emerges as the city that pays the highest salaries to AI professionals, with a median of 17.8 lakhs per annum. Overall, AI professionals in India command a median salary of 13.2 Indian rupees lakhs per annum. This discrepancy can be attributed to Mumbai's higher cost of living and the city's status as a thriving economic center.